okay, something a little different today because I'm working on the floor instead of my art table. But this is a long canvas, and so it's easier for me to have it on the floor, and I've got a protective coating here. Got all my pre-mixed paint. This is going to be pretty colorful. It's you wouldn't think of it's going to be a forest, but you wouldn't think of a forest being colorful. This one is going to be, well, hello, Nikki. Hope she doesn't get into my paint because I'm on the floor. All right, the first thing I wanted to do was to make sure that my canvas is level, and it is, because when it dries, I don't want it leaning, dripping in a direction that I don't want it to. So it is level, and you need to just chill. All right, so I'm going to start with, I've basically got contact paper that I cut out so that I don't pour paint on certain parts of the canvas, because that's where I'm going to have, this fell off, that's where I'm going to have like the sun coming through and all that good stuff. Okay, so just about ready. I don't want to bore you with too many details of getting started. Getting started is kind of scary on this one, because I have like this vision of what I want it to look like, but I'm not sure about the pouring part, and I'm also going to do some swiping on it after I pour. So that's what I'm not sure about. I do know that I want the sky, different shades of blue, so these are all pre-mixed acrylic paint with Floratrol, and some of them have a little bit of water. So I'm just going to start pouring. Now I'm going to do the swiping part. So I'm going to spray the end of a paper towel, and I'm going to start at the top and just swipe all these colors down like so. Ooh, ain't that nice? Oh, you should see the cells forming on this one. I can't wait to bring you in for a close-up of the middle. Okay. Wow. Well, the white covered most of that. Let me go back in the other direction. Might have to fix that, it's all white. Okay, let's torch this puppy. Bring out more cells. I'm going to come back to it in 30 minutes and take a look to see what it needs. But before I go, I can tell it needs some silver in here. I'm just dropping it in there. Came back and fiddled with it some more, and so this is a result of my fiddling.